Chopin waltzes. Let's see how I do on this one. Just gonna open it up. No way possible. So it's E flat. So so it goes da, so da da da. So D and F, D flat and F, B E A D, D and F. That's a 6. So da. So you're holding the E over. That's a 7th. Then D to B. It goes da 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 da. Let's see how it sounds. It should just sound powerful. And E. Let me just double check. I don't want to bluff in front of this. So E. So da 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 da. This is almost see-through on ragtime. It goes da 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 da. Yeah, that should just sound powerful. Trust me, it's gonna go into a dreamy like waltz. Let me just double check. D flat, E flat, C. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this will sound happy. I'm gonna stare at it for a little bit till I'm positive on how it just sounds. Because sometimes you just are wrong. Wait, let me warm up. Let me do some other ones first. False brilliance. Da 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 da. First off, how do you really have a sad waltz?